What up, people of the internet? So, my brother from another mother, mi amigo, has surpassed 100 subscribers on his YouTube channel. Woo! So, since there's not an actual award, play button for that type of thing, I'm gonna make him one out of cake. And it's gonna be awesome. Come along. From scratch.
Look at that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
So the secret to making a real nice cake or brownie is instead of water, put milk. When you don't have an electric one, this is what you do. To transport it, I'm gonna put it in this pot. I think it's good enough. He does not live close at all. I don't know why I'm so extra. I really don't. Look at this view though.
What's up, bro? What's up, brother?
Alright, so he's studying inside. I'm gonna get it ready. It's good enough. Karim Ashraf, you started a YouTube channel
Indeed.
a long time ago.
Not that long, but especially.
Not that long.
Alright.
But you put a lot of hard work into it.
Indeed.
A lot of hours.
Yeah.
No nights sleeping. Editing.
Still no views.
Videoing.
I got nothing out of it.
Uploading.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. And you're about to hit 25 videos, are you not? 25 may not seem like a lot a year from now when you're at 100 videos. But right now,
It is a lot.
It's a lot of work. YouTube congratulates you and gives you a play button on the 100,000.
Holy shit!
On the million. On the 10 million. But they don't do it on the 100.
Yeah, I thought, alright.
I believe that you should get one. Open the blind.
Slow motion, right?
Slow motion. Doom, 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 doom. All right, just rip it off. Just.
Damn! And you... That's awesome!
That's the 100 subscribers, bro. That's the play button, bro. That's the 100 subs, bro.
I didn't see the 100.
The 100 subs, bro. The 100 subs, bro.
Thank you!
100.
Thank you!
Of course, Habibi, of course, you're my brother, 100, this is something. Karim Ashraf PH. YouTube.com/Karim Ashraf PH.
My number one supporter. My only...
We finally have a URL.
Yeah! We're gonna eat it.
Of course we're
Let's
gonna
eat it.
Hell yeah. Get some milk. How is it, Kimo?
It's look awesome. Tastes awesome. And you're awesome. Thank you. Thank you. I love you.
Love you too. YouTube.com/Karim Ashraf PH. Follow this guy
If you're into photography,
and speak
check
Arabic.
me out. Yeah, thank you.
Karim Ashraf. Karim Ashraf. You have started.
Oh.
Would you stop dabbing?